Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to send a one-time viewed video on Snapchat. This feature is perfect for sharing moments that disappear after being seen, ensuring privacy and exclusivity. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Once you're logged in, you'll see the camera screen ready to capture your next snap. Here you have two options. Either take a new video using the Snapchat camera, or select an existing video from your phone's gallery. If you're recording a new snap, press and hold the circular capture button to record your video. If you're choosing a video from your phone, swipe up on the camera screen to access your memories or gallery and select the desired clip. Once your video is ready, look to the right side of your screen for the timer icon. It looks like a small clock. Tap this icon to adjust the viewing time for your snap. Change the setting to 1 to ensure that your video can only be viewed once by the recipient. This is the key step that makes your snap a one-time view. After setting the timer, tap the send button at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll be prompted to choose a friend or group from your contacts. Select the recipient S and hit send. Your one-time viewed video is now on its way. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've sent a video that disappears after being viewed once. This feature is great for maintaining privacy while sharing fleeting moments with friends. Thanks for tuning in, and happy snapping!